afternoon, welcome back to our channel. My name is Chubby and with me today is my sister Mimi. We are doing a challenge today, guys, and that challenge is Chubby Bunny Challenge. Yes, we are finally doing the Chubby Bunny Challenge, guys. I know everyone on YouTube has done it, and yeah, finally we're doing ours, so it's very exciting. We're gonna see who's got a bigger mouth, which I think I know already. So yeah, guys, if you want to see who's got a bigger mouth, guys, keep on watching. Of course, we need a marshmallow, and as you can hear, guys, Paris is in the background there. Yeah, she's just playing, guys. She's watching Peppa Pig, and we also have tissue just in case. And also, we've got water here, guys. So, yeah, let's start. Let's start this challenge. Okay. Bato-bato pick. Bato-bato pick. Bato-bato pick. Ako na. Okay, go. Shuffle the guys.
Pink. Choose the pink one.
Unya, nakatawa na buang.
Okay.
Eh, wala ka man yung mahilis.
Wala man nahilis. Oh. Wala man kulaway. Kumalang ako. Chubby Bunny. Ikaw.
Okay, one guess.
Kaya sa'yo premium.
Ha?
Sa'yo premium. Why premium?
Magkaon na ni Urot ang kadawang.
Dako nang naan.
Chubby Bunny. Kato baklaro.
Chubby Bunny.
Mak, padugan po mak ang mataas ng video. Ano lagi ba yung ako na? Dua pa gani ka mo ako magapi. Uy, isip diri makita ka makita sa video.
Chubby.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Two.
Dupakurog na siya. Berang ka na yung buka rin.
Chubby Bunny.
Si Bunny Bunny. Naka-chubby.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby.
Hey. Yeah.
Apa nakagawa? Ay, kaluod. Oh guys, naglaluha na ako guys. Ah. Ikaw na yung winner. Tulo na na ah. Di sayang. Hindi mo ako siya binay. Chubby man. Tulo na. O, mo na ang premyo. Guys, dako na ko kuan guys, opening ba? Dako lang gusto mo pero mas dako gyud siya baba, guys. No, the thing is, masulod siya pa yung sa kuan guys. Pagtuslok na ako sa last na guys ba. I went through my supagos guys. Murapog na. Tukan.
Hindi ka yun ko competitive na. Parang pila yun.
That was actually fun guys. Napay daghang guys oh. Ang morning guys na. Our winner is sa'yo na ang corona.
Ako na ang corona guys.
Marshmallow. Hatag mo.
Ako na ang corona.
Hatag marshmallow mo. Mama.
Ikaw na be.
Ikaw, Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Nanya?
Ha? Dako hindi mo babati. Hindi ka ma, okay lang kung
Dikin, pag-alan ako ba? Ani?
Masulot na
Yeah, I hope that you enjoyed today's video, guys. We will definitely be doing more challenges in the future, that's for sure. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope that you give this video
na challenge guys, let us know.
yes, and give this video a thumbs up, guys, and also hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful.
bye bye. No, bye.
Bye.